Hi there. Today we're going to have a Monday.com creative request process tutorial. So, here I am in my Monday workspace. A creative request process, or a creative request form, is a form that you can have for your company. For example, if your company handles creative work or similar projects, you can have a creative request form. This is essentially a job order or a request that a customer wants to hire your company or staff for a creative project. In order to do that, you can create your own form right here in Monday.com, or you can simply use the templates available in Monday.com. The beauty of Monday.com is that it's highly customizable, so you can adjust the templates to suit the exact needs of your business. Whether you're managing creative design requests, marketing campaigns, or event planning, you can tailor the workspace to handle anything. For example, to create a form, just click the plus button right here, and then go to the Template Center. From here, type in Creative Request in the search bar, and you will see some templates pop up. One popular template, which has over 53,000 downloads, is a great option to get started. Let's use this one. Click on it, and you'll see the layout of this workspace. It has a table that organizes all the open requests, in-progress requests, and completed requests. This makes it really easy to track the status of each request at a glance. You can also see the creative request form and some additional information about how the template is structured. Let's go ahead and click Use Template and wait for it to be applied. Once the template is applied, you'll notice three main sections: incoming requests, in-progress requests, and completed requests. Each section helps you move requests through their life cycle, from the initial request to completion. You'll also see the request form that you can share with your customers. This allows them to submit creative requests for your company. It's a really neat feature because it streamlines the process and ensures that all necessary information is captured in one place. For example, let me fill out the form right here. I'll select social media post as the type of request. For the priority, we can choose if this is a high priority, medium, or low priority request. Then for the due date, let's say the deadline for this project is November 14th. In the description section, let's enter, "I need a social media post that promotes the products of my company." You can also attach any relevant files. For example, I'll click on the attachment field and choose a file from my File Explorer. Let's say my company sells t-shirts, so I'll attach a design file here. This is a great way to keep everything in one place and ensure the project requirements are clear from the start. You can also specify the type of request, and for this example, we'll select social media. Once the form's complete, click Submit. Now, the submission has failed. Let me retry this process. Let's go back and delete the previous submission and try submitting again. Once the request is successfully submitted, it will show up in our main table. As you can see, the creative request we filled out earlier is now listed here. We can open it to view all the details. You'll see the files, activity log, and other important information related to the request. The owner, priority, which we set is high, status, which is new. Since it's just been requested, the due date November 14th, the creative brief, the description we entered earlier, and the type social media are all listed. You'll also see any attachments in the Assets section. Once you approve the creative request, you can change the status to working on it. From there, you can move the request into the pending review stage as you review the work. If you're actively working on the request, you can simply drag it into the In Progress column to indicate that it's being worked on. Once the creative work is completed, change the status to completed and move the request into the completed column. This will automatically update its placement, marking it as completed once the status is updated. This method of organizing requests ensures smooth communication and keeps everyone on the same page, from your team to the customer. Plus, it's super efficient and can save your team hours of work when it comes to managing and tracking multiple projects at once. Pro tip: you can also integrate Monday.com with your favorite tools like Slack, Google Drive, or Trello, making it even easier to collaborate, share files, and track updates in real time. So if you're already using these platforms, Monday.com can work seamlessly alongside them. And that's it. That's how you can set up and manage a creative request process here in Monday.com. It's an incredibly flexible tool, and whether you're managing internal projects, client requests, or team tasks, it's perfect for streamlining your creative workflows. I hope this video helped you learn how to use Monday.com for creative request management. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.